and reset. And hello, I'm Po. I'm a freelance motion designer in New York City, and I teach Intro to Motion Design here at Harvard Space University. Back in high school, I started playing with it after I found on YouTube tutorials and things like that. I started trying out After Effects and Photoshop and whatnot. Then made a bunch of stupid videos with friends, that kind of stuff. Then I kind of found out that you can, go to school for this kind of stuff, and I went to SCAD, Savannah College of Art and Design, in the U.S. in Savannah, Georgia. And I started out doing visual effects major first, and then I found out about motion design a year into it. And so I took one of the motion design classes there, and I was like, oh, this is great. I didn't know this was a thing. I want to switch my major, and I went full on into the motion design major. The reason I switched was because motion design is so broad. It's such a broad creative field that you can do music videos, you can do 2D design, you can do 3D stuff, 2D animation, live action. There's a combination of all these different things. While visual effects, I was learning that when you go into the visual effects field, you're probably going to be more specialized. You're going to be a character rigger or a texture artist or lighting, After graduating from SCAD, I went to New York. I started an internship at a place called Nathan Love, who does more character-focused motion design and animations, commercials. And then after that, I went to Be Real New York for an internship, which is more of a creative agency, and they do a lot of commercials, campaigns, products, website designs, digital products, things like that. So I was at Be Real New York for 3.5, almost 4 years. Then I decided to leave and start freelancing, and I've been freelancing since 2017, so about 3 years of freelancing now. And that gave me the opportunity to come teach, the flexibility and opportunity to come teach here.